Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will discuss the sixth question of Leetcode June challenge. Queue reconstruct by height. What we have to do is we have to reconstruct the array in such a order that the height and the order both match. So now let's understand the question properly. What we have to do is we have given the indexes of array. So if we have 7 suppose have height this. Now at second index we get 4. So suppose 4 has height this. Again 7. Now we have 6. Now we have 5. Here 5 and here again 5. Now we will check the indexes. 0, 4, 1, 0, 0 and 1. So now what we have to do is we have to check the number of elements which have height greater than or equals to the element current index. Suppose if at here we have no element which have height greater than or equals to 7 here, so the count is 0. Here the count is 1 because we have one element greater than or equals to 4. Here the count is 1 because we have one element 7 which is greater than the height. Now if we check here we have 2 and here also we have 2. Sorry, here we have 3. Here we have 4. So what we have to do is we have to match this thing with the second index. So now let's understand the approach. So first of all, if we got the question like this, so we have to sort this according to its 0 index and second priority will be its first index. So after sorting for the array, what we will get is, so how we have to sort is we have to sort this 0th index according to 0 index. We have to sort in ascending order, in greater order. First 4 will come, first 7 will come, then 6, then 5, then 4. Whereas according to 1 index we have to reverse sort. First 0 will come, then 1 will come. So this is how we have to sort. So after sorting the array, what we will get is this. Now we will check their first indexes, that their first index is correct or not. So if it is 0 at 0th index, we don't have to do anything. And now it is at 1 index. Here the index is also 1, so it does not require to change anything. But here we have 1 which is all which have to add to index. So we will delete it from here and we will insert it out here. So after insertion, what we will get? So we are on second index now. So till second index we have done. Now on third index the index is 0, so we will insert it at 0 index. So after insertion and deletion, what we will get? So after swapping, what we will get? 5, 0, 7, 0, 6, 1, 7, 1, 5, 2 and 4, 4. So this is at, so we are now at third index. We have done with third index. Now we will check fourth index. So fourth index we have 2, so we will swap it by second index. So we will place it at second index. So after the swapping we will get this. Now we are on fourth index. Now we have to check fifth index. So at fifth index we have to swap it with fourth, or we have to insert it at fourth. So after insertion, what we will get? So after swapping we will get this. Now if we check, before 5 we have 0 element greater than or equals to 5, so this is correct. Before 7 we have 0, so this is also correct. Before 5 we have 2 elements, 5 and 7, so this is also correct. Before 6 we have only 170 which is greater, so this is also correct. Before 4 we have 4 elements which have greater, so this is also correct. After 7 this is also correct. So the approach is we have to first sort it in reverse order according to 0 index and sort in correct or increasing order according to its first index. So after doing that, what we have to do is we have to replace the elements or insert the elements at the 0th index of their value. Sorry, at the given index or at the P's first index. Suppose at 5 0 we have 0, so we have to insert according to this 0th index. We have to insert this at 0, this also at 0, this also at this at 1, this at 1, this at 2, this at 4. So after doing this, what we will get? We will get a correct answer. So now let's see the code. So what is the solution? In this front part or in this starting part, I have sorted this. Here till here I have sorted it in descending order. Now here I have checked if they both are equal 0th index, then in increasing order I will sort the next part. Now I have initialized the answer. Here the main part or at the index P1's index I am inserting the values. So this is mainly the answer, what answer is doing. So after this I have written the answer. So what mainly we are doing is, in this first part we are sorting, in the second part I have initialized the answer and inserted the values at its given index. If I submit the question, I got correct answer. Thank you guys. For more such content, like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.